What's going on, guys? Pancakes, Marty here, and today we're not playing Cold War. This is going to be the first episode of a series I hopefully keep doing called Marty's Diner, where I just make things, right? And since it's almost Pancake Tuesday, I think, I'm gonna make pancakes. So let's get into it. I've never made pancakes before. I think maybe once, and I'm pretty sure they were the ones that like come pre-made and you just like fry them in a pan for a bit and then you eat them. So let's get into it. This video is going to be really professional, hopefully, because I got like 2 tripods for like 2 different camera angles, and I got like a lighting thing. So hopefully it's just going to look good. I'm not sure how it'll sound because I'm recording this on my G7X, and the microphone on it isn't the best, I don't think. So we'll just have to see how that turns out. So let's get into it. Right. So since my kitchen is relatively small, I can get a good angle on like me being in frame and making the pancakes at the same time. So you're just gonna see like this much of me, so my hands and like this portion of me, but you'll get to see if I mess up or anything like that. So I guess I need to get the ingredients first. There's the ingredients so you can see them. I need 2 eggs, I think it's a pint of milk, and half of this bag of pancake cocaine dust stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get all my ingredients ready. As you can see, they're all here. And then once I have them all measured out and stuff, I'll mix them up together. And you'll see me do that. Maybe something might happen, I don't know. But then it'll be good. I feel like I should have gone with this camera angle from the first, like after I did the intro, just into this camera angle because it seems much better. So now I have to measure out 575 milliliters of milk. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because that is a lot of milk actually. What the hell? That is a fuckload of milk. Look at that, that's like a full jug of milk. This can't be right. Right, okay, now I have to stir, but I'm not sure if I should use the electric-y stirry thing or if I should just use like a wooden spoon. We'll go with the wooden spoon and we'll see how that works. This is gonna go horribly, this is gonna go everywhere. So I might be using a new editing software. I completely legally downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro. So don't call the police on me or anything, it was completely legal. This looks horrible. So I might try use that to edit the video, which I'm not sure if I want to because I want to get the video out before Pancake Tuesday, but I feel like if I do that, if I use Premiere Pro, then the video might take longer because I've never used Premiere Pro before. I'm gonna have to use like an electric whisk or some shit because this looks like cottage cheese and it looks gross. So I've taken out the electric-y whisk thing, but I don't know where the like the little these things are, the appendages for are. They're somewhere in my kitchen, but I'll have to look for them. Oh, there you are. That really wasn't that hard. This part I feel like is gonna go horribly because I can just sense it. Oh, this looks horrible as well. Before I start whisking and making loads of noise, if you have any baking ideas or anything you want me to try and make, it doesn't even have to be a baking thing, like it doesn't have to be like a cake or anything like that. It could be like some random ass like food recipe you want me to make, I'll do that. Literally just put it down below. It can be the most randomest thing ever and I'll try and make it. This is going much better than I thought it would. I think it's like completely whisked that word together. And it says on the thing to let it rest for like 10 minutes after, so I guess I'll leave it for 10 minutes and then we'll come back to it and see how it goes, right? While I wait for the pancakes to do that 10-minute rest thing, I'm gonna do some carpet boarding. If you didn't know, I skate a tiny bit. I'm not really that good, but I might get interrupted by my dog, so you might end up seeing my dogs. There's one lying right here. My other dog might run in eventually once you hear some noise. But while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna wait and do this. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just, screw Right, so after that short intermission, I let the pancake stuff rest. I put it in the fridge, and I also put it in like in a jug, just like easier transfer into the pan and stuff. Let's get into cooking them. I don't know how well this is going to do because this is the only thing, like I can make it that simple, right? Besides I struggled a tiny bit, okay. But like the cooking part, this is where I'm going to fuck up the most because I just am. I'm not the best at frying stuff. Like I once fried bacon. Or at least I thought I fried bacon, but then I gave myself like food poisoning or some shit, so let's get into the cooking part of this. I don't really know what heat or anything I should put any of this on, but I do know I need to lightly grease the pan. That's what the thing said. That's relatively light grease, I think. So now I just need to wait for this to heat up, and then I'm probably only gonna make 2 of them because I'm not overly that hungry. If you follow me on Twitter, you would have seen like the behind the scenes of this video already. You would have seen like the whole camera setup and stuff like that. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. The link for that will be down below. You'll get like updates, just random shit I just think about. I tweet there, updates on like when I'm uploading videos, if I'm doing anything in my life, that type of stuff. Right, I think it's go time. I think. Nope, the pan was not hot enough. And I think I poured way too much pancake liquid in. Yeah, the pan, there's like lumps in it. I did not stir this well enough. This was horribly done. I just realized I touched the pan with my finger. Like if that was hot, that would have been such a stupid idea. Okay, so one thing I've learned already, I need to oil the pan a bit more. Yeah, because look at that. It's fucking stuck to the pan. I'm pretty sure this was meant to be a non-stick pan as well, so that was false advertisement. Tesco, I want to sue you. This has gone horribly. Maybe the pan was too hot. I don't know. Right, okay, look. We're scrapping this pancake. I'm starting again. Look at that. It's like a weird, it looks like scrambled egg. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this pan off. I'm gonna put more oil on it than I did last time. And then we're gonna try again. And hopefully the pan will be hot enough that time as well. So, attempt number 2. Okay, so I think this is gonna be a good one. I'm optimistic about this one. I really don't know how long this video is gonna be because I'm sort of rambling half the time. And I don't think anything I say is making any sense. So, there's probably gonna be a load of cuts in this as well. So it's probably only gonna be like 6 or 5 minutes long or something like that. But still, a video is a video. So, make do with what you got. Don't be selfish. Oh, okay. I'm gonna let this one cook a tiny bit more. And then I'm gonna like, see if I can do the whole flippy thing. Alright, okay. That didn't work. We now have a pancake calzone. Oh, no, okay. Well, this is it. This is gonna be a good flip. Ooh, perfection. Gordon Ramsay, where are you at? So I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar, a little bit of lemon on it. Just so it doesn't taste like bread or whatever pancake is. Does it taste, like, is it called a cake? Like, is it a cake or is it a bread? Because if you think about it, loads of things are called things, but they're not actually them things. Like koalas are called koala bears, but they're not actually bears. So, is a pancake a cake or is it like a bread? Get some lemon juice ASMR. Some sugar ASMR. Oh, it smells like ass, what the fuck? Ah, why does it smell so bad? Why am I always out of the camera shot? Okay, there we go, I'm somewhat in shot. My light has died and I've had to change the exposure and now everything behind me looks like I'm in heaven. So, here's the pancake. And the pancake looks really bright as well. But, still smells like ass. But I'm gonna get a fork and I'm gonna eat it. It's actually not that bad. Fair play to me. It's not the best, but it's not bad. I would rate it like maybe a 6. Like for my first proper go at making pancakes, I would call this a 6. So I'm gonna end the video there. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, comment any things you'd want me to cook, bake, or anything like that. subscribe. I already said that. Get me to 30 subscribers. I'm only 2 off. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch. All them links will be down below. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Adios.
I'm always on.
Girl is giving us a gift. And
Shut your ass up, daddy.
as you can see,
No homo.